When it comes to people replying to you in English rather than Thai, the reason, I would say this is the reason that is 99.99% of the time, is the fact that what do you do when you want to practice Thai, but the Thai people don't seem to want to speak Thai to you back? So this is the problems that I've seen come up times and times again when you are a Thai learner and then you approach someone Thai, sometimes you approach someone that works at the 7-Eleven and you speak Thai to them, but they always reply in English to you. And you're wondering,
Why? Isn't my Thai good enough?
why aren't they so kind to speak to me back in Thai so I could practice? In today's episode, I'm going to tell you why that is the case. And I'm going to also present to you solutions to this problem. I think when it comes to people replying to you in English rather than Thai, the reason, I would say this is the reason that is 99.99% of the time, is the fact that they deem your Thai to not be as good as their English. Listen to this again. They have made the decision that your Thai is worse than their English. I think this is it's such a human nature sort of thing. When we meet someone for the first time, especially if you have to do some sort of a quick business with them, people would tend to go to the language that is the most conducive to that transaction or interaction. In this case, when you walk into a 7-Eleven and you say something Thai to the staff, there were these milliseconds or maybe like 2 or 3 seconds that this staff would make this decision that, oh, it's going to be faster to switch to English with this guy or girl. And I know that this is really frustrating and it seems unfair as well, that you have this good intention. You want to practice the language is spoken in the country, but the locals don't seem to allow you to do that. I get you. It is really frustrating. Hi, it's still me. I just want to add that there is a theory that sometimes Thai people switch to English because they are afraid it will be awkward for you to continue the conversation in Thai. So in a way, they have this good intention, but actually this intention backfires. This intention actually defeats its purpose because in helping you to not make you feel awkward, they're not making you feel more awkward by making you think that maybe your Thai isn't good enough. Anyway, this brings us back to this argument that at the end of the day, it comes down to the fact that the Thai person has made that quick decision in thinking that, okay, it's faster, it's easier to switch back to English.
But I have the exact opposite problem.
The most interesting thing is that there are quite a number of people that have the exact opposite problems. I know some of my friends who may have some sort of musical ear. So these people are really good at imitating the sound or a new language. And they would be able to utter a few sentences very neatly, very local-like, to the point that people would think that they speak fluently in that language, in this case Thai. So these people might not even speak Thai, but they speak a few words of Thai, and then the staff or the people that they deal with just throw back these long Thai sentences that they can't understand. So when you think of the problem that this latter group of people have, I think you can see now that the key solution to get the Thai to speak Thai back to you is to lure them into thinking that you speak fluent Thai. And here are the ways that would help you to hypnotize. I don't want to use the word lure, but let's say hypnotize people into thinking that you speak better Thai than you actually can. This is not malintention, but just to get you to speak with someone that speaks Thai back to you so you get to practice. Strategy number 1. Well, strategy number 1 is a bit of a cheating strategy and it doesn't actually apply to what I said earlier. But Probably one of the best way to get to practice Thai is to move to a place where people don't speak English. If you come to Thailand and if you stay in a place that is more touristic, if you stay in a place that is, bigger cities like Bangkok, Chiang Mai, Phuket, chances are that these Thai people would speak some English and they would switch to English, not because you don't speak Thai, but because they think it's faster to switch to English. So the key fix is to move out of these cities. If you can and if you want to, I would dare you to move out of these cities and live somewhere for a few months. I'm sure that if you learn Thai at the same time as living in those places, your Thai is gonna progress really fast because you need it for survival. Second strategy, use colloquial Thai. I think this is probably one of the most important strategies. I think the thing when it comes to Thai learners is that a lot of Thai learners speak Romance or Western languages, or let's say English as their first language. And these languages, syntaxes are very different from Thai. So for example, in English, you would have a sentence like, oh, it's getting hot in here. Would you mind turning on the AC? Would you mind turning on the AC? But Thai people don't use such sentence form. There are so many things in the sentence that is just not Thai to begin with. We don't use would you mind? And on top of that, in Thai, you don't often use the pronouns. You don't often say I and you. I noticed, for example, that Thai learners tend to use ผม or ฉัน quite a lot when they want something, when they request something, when they feel something. But in the colloquial Thai language, or actually the formal Thai language too, in fact, most Thai tend to leave the pronouns alone if it's not needed. Thai is such a language that if it's clear in the context, who you're speaking to, whether it's you projecting your emotions, whether you are addressing someone, if it's clear, then you don't even need a pronoun. For example, in English, you say, I'm hungry. In German, you say, ich habe Hunger. In Thai, you say, หิว which means hungry, or sometimes หิวแล้ว which means hungry already. If you want to ask someone to turn on the AC, you don't actually say, would you mind turning on the AC? Let's say you are in a cafe and it's getting hot. You would say, is it possible to turn on the AC? เปิดแอร์ได้ไหม So this sentence structure doesn't even have the word mind, doesn't have the word you, doesn't have the word I. For instance, when you go into a restaurant and if you want to order something, in English, you say something like, I would like, let me have, for me, I want, this sort of sentence structure. In Thai, you say ขอพิซซ่า ขอ spaghetti. The word ขอ is a verb. It means requesting. Or if you want to be even more colloquial, you say เอาพิซซ่า เอา spaghetti. If you want to be even more polite, then you say เอาพิซซ่าครับ เอาพิซซ่าค่ะ เอา spaghetti ครับ เอา spaghetti ค่ะ You would notice that the pronoun I is not there, you is not there, and the Thai sentence structures colloquially is constructed like this a lot. There are so many other examples that show that Thai people don't actually use the pronouns that much. So for example, in English, you would ask your friend, what are you doing? What are you doing? In Thai, you say ทำอะไรอยู่ or colloquially ทำอะไรอยู่ which literally means doing what right now? ทำอะไรอยู่ Or this very famous question when you run into a Thai person. Sometimes a Thai person would ask you, ไปไหนมา which in English would have been translated into, where have you been? Where did you come from? But in Thai, if you notice, ไปไหนมา consists of go, where, come. So go where before coming here. There's no คุณ which means you. There's no ผม. There's no pronoun in it. Or when a Thai person asks you, กินข้าวหรือยัง or more colloquially, กินข้าวยัง eat rice yet, or eat a meal yet, you would notice that there's no you or I in there. These are just examples how Thai people use sentences without the pronouns. And I know this is a bit confusing and stuff, and that's why me and my friend, we have developed this app called Speakio, Speekeo. If you go on to speakio.com, you can download our app to use for free. Our app is based on word repetition and the real life Thai sentences to help you learn Thai fast, but also very naturally. Try it out. This is something that I noticed right away when it comes to who is more of an advanced speaker in Thai. I would notice that the Thai beginners, the beginners of learning Thai language, would tend to use a sentence structure that is more, let's say, English. They would use more pom, more chan, which makes sense because that's how your brain is wired in your native language. And it makes sense because it's how you think of a sentence. I would like a pizza. So observe how the Thai people speak. Try to copy it. And if you have a Thai teacher, then make sure that you address this. Tell your Thai teachers that, teach me the way that Thai people really speak. Teach me the way to avoid using pronouns, because pronouns aren't often used in Thai. When the context is clear, you don't use a pronoun. Hi, I just need to clarify here. I didn't mean to say that your Thai teachers don't teach you proper Thai. What I mean is that it's very easy when you have a foreign student who asks you a question like how to say how are you, how to say have a nice day, how to say goodbye in Thai. And these are the things that Thai people don't actually say. But as a Thai teacher, we tend to want to find an answer. And for me as well, I work as a translator. So I know that these things, you have to find a translation for it when you have to do, let's say, movie subtitles, for example. But these are actually the things that Thai people don't say. It sounds really unnatural. So that's what I mean about asking your teachers to not teach you the thing that Thai people don't actually say. And I think we should all be mindful about the fact that when it comes to learning language, it's more than learning a language. It's also learning, absorbing the culture. So yeah, just be mindful that some of the things that you said back home might not be said at all in this culture. Strategy number 3. Tricking Thai people with certain sound. There are certain sound that is very Thai. For example, when you understand something in English, I think you would have said something like, I see. In Thai, it sounds like this. Oh, oh. And when you are surprised in a way that is a little bit disappointed by some things or some outcome, in English, you would have said, oh. But in Thai, you would have said, ow, ow. There are other sounds that Thai make which are really Thai. One of the instances is when Thai people, let's say, you hit the edge of your bed with your knee. In English, you would say something like, ouch. In Thai, you would say, oi. Again, oi, oi jet, oi it hurts. In English, when you want to say oops, let's say you run into your dog pooping. Is that a good example? Anyway, instead of saying oops, Thai people would say ui. Again, ui. In English, when you want to say please, 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 when you beg someone to do something, in Thai, you can use the word na, which is the same na as in ขอบคุณนะครับ ขอบคุณนะคะ but if you say na na or say it repetitively na 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 na, it would be like please 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 please. So try to learn these words and use it in your daily life to entice the Thai people to think that you are now more Thai, that you are now quite equipped with certain Thai terms. I know that it's just this exclamation words, but I think these little sounds mean a lot towards locals. They would think that, oh, this person probably have lived here for a while to detect this certain, hidden, very Thai exclamation sounds. Strategy number 4. Let's say that you speak Thai as much as you can and the person still speaks English back. I would say that try being persistent. Let's make it a game. Let's not worry anymore. If they speak English back to you, breathe in for 1 second and just reply back in Thai. Why not? It's a challenge. And let's see that after 3 or 4 sentences, if they still speak in English, then you might consider switching, but they might give up first. They might go into Thai with you. But don't worry, if they don't go to Thai with you, it doesn't mean that you are not trying, and it doesn't mean that your Thai is not good. It just means that sometimes you don't know the person. It could have been that the person isn't very fluent in Thai. Sometimes you have people that work here in Thailand who is in Thai. So maybe it's them who doesn't have the confidence itself. It could also mean that somehow they understand you. And even though they only reply to you in English, it's their own choice. Perhaps this is someone that wants to learn English. So you never know that. Never beat yourself up and just go for it. Or it could be for some other reasons. The most important thing for you to know is that you try. I actually have a funny story, which happens to a Thai person. I have this teacher. He's someone who speaks a proper Thai. One time he went to a mall to buy maybe a necktie or something. And he spoke to the shopkeeper. After they finished the transaction, the shopkeeper asked him, "You're not really Thai, aren't you?" And he's like, "I'm Thai. What do you mean I'm not really Thai?" And she said, "Because you speak Thai so clearly." And this is really funny to me because there's never right or wrong in a language. When you speak Thai too clearly, sometimes people don't even think that you are Thai. So I guess the most important thing for you to know is just to go out there and try speaking Thai. And remember my trick. Trick number 1, change your audience. If you can't find someone to talk Thai to you, maybe move to a new city for a few months. Trick number 2, trick Thai people into thinking that your Thai is better than what it is by using a certain Thai sound. Trick number 3, drop your English or Western syntax and try to use more Thai syntax. Use sentences that are structured more in the colloquial Thai way. Say ขอ pizza rather than ผมต้องการ pizza. I desire pizza, which doesn't make sense in Thai. Drop the I, drop the ผม drop the you, which is คุณ and try to observe how Thai people actually say it. Next time when you are hungry, just say it out loud. หิวแล้ว hungry already. Just to get you ready to this Thai rhythm. And trick number 4 is to persist. Don't get discouraged. You speak Thai to someone, they reply back in English. Speak Thai again, they reply back to English again. Keep it going. No worries. I think you are always rewarded with your effort. And trick number 5, wait, was that trick number 5? Yes. If you have a Thai teacher, then make sure you communicate with your Thai teachers that you want to learn Thai in the way that Thai people speak it. Tell them that if there is a better way of saying this like a Thai person does, then show it to me. After all, I think learning a language is to acquire the culture and not just learning a new language. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope that you are enjoying learning Thai. And if you like this content, please click like on this video and subscribe to this channel. I will see you in the next episode. ขอบคุณครับ